Hey there, welcome to Two Villas on a Hill again. It's been 2 weeks since my last visit on the construction site, and I will show you today the change that happened. So on the first villa, mostly it's gonna be outside. So I will start there and then the little change inside, and then we'll move on to the second villa. I'm now outside and I will show you the sides of the villa, which is the biggest improvement. You can see now that the side has been filled and that it's waiting to be painted and then to be put with the ceramic that we'll see probably, I hope in the next video, in the next 2 weeks, that they're going to do it. But now you can definitely see how it is going to look like. If I move to the front, yeah, it still has some brick visually, but slowly it looks more and more like the 3D renders. I went down to the bottom and I will try not to kill myself. it is steep. Yeah, so you can see it from here still. Yeah, we can still see it's lacking some filling, but coming on very soon. And we are back inside at the top of the first house, which I decided to call Villa Serenidad, which means Villa Serenity, as it is close to yoga, calmness, peacefulness. There is a yoga studio, and that's the idea of this villa. So yeah, Villa Serenidad sounds good. Let me know in the comments what you think. For the sake of the video, I will only show what has been modified and not show the whole house. Once again, if you want to see that, you can check in the previous video that I did if you want to see the whole house. Okay, so let's move on to the big modification in 2 weeks. I am now at the top of the second floor, yeah, right top of the house, and this is the cage with the stairs, obviously, where this whole wall is gonna be it's gonna be something like fake stone. So I will leave you to imagine how it's gonna be. It's gonna be a black fake stone, like it will be made out of stone, like in a cave. So let's see how it looks like in reality. And a big change is, not sure what it is yet, but I think they've installed the unit of AC. I don't see it here, so it's lacking somewhere, or it's just not there yet. But on the two other floor, it is it has been installed, so I will look for it. So I'm now in the bedroom number 4, which I just found the unit of AC, the first one. There are 3, so I'm taking this opportunity to show you the view once again. Okay, so right now I found the first unit. So it's this one, and there are 3, as I said, in the whole house, 1 for each level. Okay, so that's one of the big improvements for this floor. Now let's go 1 level down. You can see that the LED installation for LEDs are ready for the stairs. And I think, if you see, the second unit is been installed as well. Okay, so it's a 3 centralized system, 1 for each floor. And yeah, that's not that pretty, this part. Yeah, electricity has been wired now. Before there was only the tubes. Now I see that it's been done. The opening for the vents of the AC are being done. The garage, well, not so much. Just they've did this wall now to separate the garage from a room to put stuff. Machine for aerothermy is supposed to come here. Okay, and yeah, so it looks like they came up until here and still missing the walls down. I see that the wire for the LEDs have been done at this floor as well. That's really good. And the inside walls are being done. You can see the wall, the isolation, you can see there, right there. Yep. think they're waiting to finish this part, as this is where the kitchen is going to be put. And we should have one more unit of air conditioning, which is right here. So this is a good spot for it not to be too loud. Okay, and yeah, the studio yoga that you saw previous time. Okay, next, the wall has been fully finished up to the top. It might have been the case last time as well, but the big difference is this one, that now it's being filled, the whole facade, and it's looking good, getting to look good. Now, I don't think there is any change in this part of the yard. No, just for the view. Okay guys, so that's it for this villa. Now I'm going down on the other one, which I'm not sure, I haven't seen yet the change that have been done, so I will look at it with you in a minute. Hello everyone, I'm now downstairs to the second house that you can see. Voila. That I decided to call Villa Ola, and the reason for that is because it's the closest to the wave, and you can really hear the wave when you are on the other side, close to the sea. Okay, so in this villa, not so much, unfortunately, visual change at least. They've been working on wiring the water and electricity, so it's not so much, but I will show you the little thing that changed. For example, this wall on my side, the wall on the side of the house, you see these external wall, there is concrete in them, sorry. So I'm expecting that next week they will take all the surrounding out, and it will look like this one on that side. I think they're really trying to finish everything that linked to wall, outside wall, structure. Okay, so you can see it's going to look something like this once done. All right, so outside not so much. I'm hoping in 2 weeks it's going to be filled like walls are going to be filled like the other one, the Villa Serenidad, that's up there. And I will show you a bit of change inside. So main change is wiring. Like I said, you can see it's quite massive with the main electricity and communication box right here. They are going to close this room as well as the other house. Structure is very, very similar. You can see that the LEDs, there is some wiring for the LEDs. If you can see, it's not finished yet, and it's in process. So like I said, mainly wiring. Okay. And the view. Yeah, I came here just for the view because I want to share that with all of you. Okay, let's move on to what's next. By the way, I was thinking about, oh, it's windy, putting a jacuzzi here, if we can, checking with the engineer and the architect if the terrace is made to hold it, because it's really, really heavy to put the jacuzzi. It's easily between 1.2 and 2.5 tons, so I need to make sure that it's gonna hold. This was not made for this at the beginning anyway. Just let me know what you think in the comments. And let's move on. As you see, wiring for water is those transparent tube that you see, water, and the rest is all the protection for the cable. So what's left then is to put the electric cable inside of them. Okay, so we have also a massive staircase and massive entrance. As you can see, will be window up to the top in order to have enough light. Let's move on. So I would say minor change at this level, but the concrete has been leveled in order to put the floor in the nearby future. Now that we are in the finalizing process of choosing the floor, you can see that there is this gap. Visually, it's going to look like there is a bigger gap between the two floors from outside, and also, as you can see, wiring. Probably put light there. I'm not sure. I would need to double check the actual plan from the architect. Just wiring in here, and actually, this is a dressing room. This is the wiring of the inside wall that will be closed then and isolated once the whole wiring is done for sure. Coming into this room, yeah, it's going to look better after this mud is been removed. Yeah, it doesn't look like much right now, so we'll keep moving. And yeah, not much here. Like I said, mostly this is the exit of water from the top floor and just wiring for this week. I hope to see more visual change for next video. I see that the LED wiring of LED has been done as well. This case, and here, yeah, just wiring everywhere. And I think that's mostly it. Big change is this wall. They've been working on wiring and finishing the wall, outside wall. And I don't see any change here either. Okay, so mainly maybe this side, you can see something. I'm going to have a look. Yeah, it's very hard to imagine how it's going to be once done, but it will look good, that is for sure. Can you hear the wave? If you do, please give a like to the video, because this is pretty awesome. And let me know what you think about Via Ola. This would be like Via Wave, but sounds, I think, better in Spanish. This is it for today's video of Two Villas on a Hill. I hope you liked it, that you enjoyed going through the change of the houses. I am still working on doing those video with the process from scratch, how to do it small by small. And yeah, please push on the subscribe button if you want to keep getting new notification about new video and following the process that this project that we're working on here. That's absolutely amazing and exciting. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in next video, probably in 2 weeks.